Okay, I am trying to show how to replace this filter on the Briggs Stratton carburetor. There aren't very many videos on how to replace this thing, and I talked to my parts guy, and he's saying that you have to heat up a tub of water or something in water in the microwave. Let that get good and hot, and then soak your pieces in here for a little bit, and the pieces become pliable enough that they'll slide off of there. And I've got this one propped in. I don't want to get the filter and the screen submerged in water. I mean, I could blow it out, but I'd rather just not even do that. So I've just got the tip in. The only thing I need is that right there. But what you do is you pop that little collar on the end of this thing off, and that's part of this kit over here. It's a tube pickup kit. It comes with a new tube, and then the new little collar down here. But you kick this collar up off the tube. I've already done that, but yeah, it's not hard. Just pop that up off of there, and with this piece warm, oh, there it goes. And what you're trying to get across is the barb right there. So we've got that one off. We're just going to go ahead and keep that collar and use it since it's on there. And we've got our other piece here. Get as much water out as we can. Push that back up on there. It's hard to push on there, as you can tell. Probably could have left it in the water a little longer. Come on. Do this and try not to break your stem off, but I don't know that I'm getting anywhere now. It's too difficult. Let me try this. This is not the recommended way of doing this, but I don't want to submerge this thing in water. Getting a little bit. I'm almost there. Let's get a bit more. The wind a little bit. There we're at. There we're at. Could go just a little bit more, but it's on there. That's up. And then we'll just slide the collar back down. Anyway, that's enough for now. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. All I got to do is snap this little wedge collar down on there, and we're done. Ready to finish the rebuild. But yeah, this little filter is only like $5, so don't put a trashed filter back in your carburetor if you're cleaning it. I mean, they're easy enough to change. Well, there you go.